Hello guys. Welcome to Alxmo Tech. Today we are going to see how to install Google services in Playstore without third-party app shortcuts. Now let's go into the video. Open your browser. Search vMOS. Click the first link. Click vMOS Pro download. Here you can see the people who created this app. In fact, if you have any problem, you can check here. Click and install the application. Since my security is high, it will show as thread. Click one-click authorization. Turn it on. Allow everything. Click I am a green hand. Here you can get the premium ship. Click Enter now. Allow everything. Now here it is like a launcher. You can this as primary also. So no third-party apps are needed. If you want to minimize this, click minimize. Here you can create multiple screens. So I am creating 2 screens. Now open settings. Turn this on. Now close the app. And open again. Here I have two screens. Here the Play Store is available. Please subscribe if you haven't. And like this video. Open it. Change your keyboard to English. Enter your email and password. Search any app you want and install it. You can also change wallpaper. And add widgets. Here you can transfer or receive data. You can minimize and close the app.
Thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, please subscribe and like this video.